Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have sections. Now add your first section zoom. Click Insert, choose Zoom, then Section Zoom. Select the section thumbnail you want to link. Place the thumbnail on the slide and resize it if needed. This creates a visual jump point. Once placed, click the Zoom thumbnail and use Zoom tools to turn on or off Return to Summary or to set a thumbnail style. Make sure to save before continuing so you can test behavior without losing layout changes. Now customize how the section zoom behaves during your presentation. Select the Zoom and Open Zoom tools. Toggle Return to Summary if you want viewers to come back automatically, and pick a transition like Morph for smooth movement. Change the thumbnail style and border to match your slide design, and set background to keep slide background to avoid jarring shifts. Once done, preview the slideshow from the summary to check timing and navigation flow. Tweak duration. Finish by testing the full flow in slideshow mode, starting from your summary slide. Click each section zoom to confirm it jumps and returns as expected. If you need to change a target, open the section pane, rename or reorder sections, then reinsert or update the Zoom thumbnail to fix link mismatches. If animations or transitions stutter, lower transition duration or disable heavy background effects. One quick troubleshooting tip: if a zoom doesn't jump, ensure the section still exists and the slide indexes haven't shifted after edits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.